I realized our whole world could collapse into chaos and disaster, and here's me, one of the richest people on the planet, in a position to actually do something about it.
Hi there, how many more horses do you have?
We have a couple we just let loose over there. We're trying to get as many as we can out.
3 dogs trapped in their house alone as the Palisades fire closed in.
I mean, they are family members. It was so sudden. You know, it's one of those things that you never imagine will happen.
Yeah, so.
Hello, girl.
Oh my God, you're alive! You're alive! Oh, honey! Oh.
What would happen to your pets if disaster struck today? Would they survive, or would you be left scrambling to protect them? In times of chaos, it's not just about your survival, it's about theirs too.
How do I get to my house?
In the Palisades, a first responder reuniting this man with his beloved dog.
What's her name or his name?
Tika.
But how can you ensure their safety when everything else seems to fall apart? Tip number 1, stockpile pet essentials. Much like your own survival kit,
A survival kit.
your pets rely on you for their most basic needs. Extra food, water, medications, and a well-stocked first aid kit. In the face of an emergency, you don't want to be caught unprepared with supplies running low and no options left. Tip number 2, secure your pet's safety. During a disaster, chaos will surround you. For your pets, that chaos can be even more terrifying. Having a familiar, secure space for them, whether a crate or a safe room, can help them stay calm in the midst of it all.
So we all need to be prepared.
Preparation here means a calmer, safer experience for your pets when it's needed most. Tip number 3, training your pets for emergencies. Having the right tools and supplies is only part of the equation. The other, training. Your pets need to know how to react in a crisis. Familiarize them with your emergency plans and practice those routines. The more you train, the more they'll respond when it matters. But here's the twist. Emergencies don't just come in the form of large-scale disasters. Small injuries, sudden health problems, or accidents can strike at any moment. Be prepared for the unexpected with a pet first aid kit, and make sure you know how to handle the most common emergencies your pet could face. Your pets depend on you. In times of crisis, being prepared with the right supplies, training, and safe spaces can make all the difference. The safety and well-being of your pets
lie in your hands.
Stay safe, stay ready, and ensure your pets are ready for anything. Don't wait until disaster strikes. Subscribe now for more survival tips and ensure you're fully prepared for whatever the future holds.